as per usual, getting smashed for updates on the Troopies. We've had the fit out done, guys. Touring mode active. Show you that in a sec. Actually, a lot of pre-work that went in before it even came here, hey Jamin? So the car builders took a bit.
Walls, doors, floor, roof, everything.
So I'll run you through that now because underneath all that, you can't even see it now. There's a lot of work happening.
So I'm hungover and it's way too noisy in this car. Got the sound decibel thingy up. The thingy for Bobby with the sound and the bells. Cruising around town. There's nothing in here, just factory.
Windows up.
Windows up. Even on idle we're at 70, bit over 70. Righto, I guess we'll see how good it gets.
Very clean, Jamin.
It's a home, it's not a full drive.
You're being too clean.
I'm dusting.
Tell me it's your first brand new car without telling me it's your first brand new car. So legit, these things are so noisy because that's the outer skin there. And then they just got a bit of cardboard. There is no double layer, like it's no wonder they're so noisy.
Alrighty, boys at Car Builders, and sent us over the good stuff for the cruisers.
Always been legends, that lot. Check out the clean kit.
It's got a shaving kit.
Yeah, it is. Foil tape for the joints, blades, knife, stubby opener, a roller.
Yeah, like the full Troopy kit. So very interesting to see how quiet it is.
What happened, Jackson? You wounded from last night.
Nah, I'm fine.
Oh, you look good, yeah.
Yep. I'm also a little wounded.
What do we got here?
Ah.
Oh god, dude. It's like a rubber mat.
Man, this is going to be amazing.
Feel
This
that?
stuff. I could sleep
I
on
won't
that.
even need a bed.
Need some Car Builders down there, mate.
Yeah, just get life rebuilders, send us around a box.
Oh, they all cut pre-cut.
It's all pre-cut.
You look a bit stiff, Macca.
Real bit stiff.
Yeah, stretch her out, mate.
All those beers last night, really got me going. Well, it's scary, eh?
Yeah.
Some arm. Where's the arm?
Car Builder!
The car builder's arm.
We're heading into traffic.
Do you know where you are?
And they're not even helping.
They're not bloody helping. They're still drunk. There's gonna be rattle forever.
You're dropping more stuff.
It's gone. Every time you press go, it drops it.
Basically, the idea is you just got to strip the whole car, even the roof lining for Jamin, hey.
It's a crazy. You just sneeze and it falls out.
Yeah, well, that is. Why bother? Why bother, Jamin?
You have to have it clean.
Nah, you do have to have it clean for it to stick to it. I'll give it to him this time, but normally
He
no.
does it. He overcleans.
They say to wax and grease all the panels to make sure there's no
Sticks. I'm bored, Jamin. When can we just start sticking it down?
Yeah, I know you get rushy.
I do.
So you'll just float over this where we got to like roll.
Right, I'm going to frisbee it in. Come on, Jamin. It's clean.
Mate, it's a little overkill pulling the whole interior out just to install the throttle connect.
Where are we putting it?
Well, wherever you want now because everything's out.
I've gone a bit overboard to install the throttle grenade, but it's about to go in. We're going to be able to do that.
Stylish.
Roll up them rocks without the death rollback.
Yeah, I needed this about a month ago. The
Boy, it'd be
the old
so
ball
good
crawler.
for crawl mode.
Hey, you got some screws, Matt? Go install his throttle
Straight
grenade.
into the straight into here, I reckon.
Yeah. I'm going to put the ninja stars there too.
Alright.
Done, by it. Controller.
Yeah, that was easy.
And then you screw it to your dash.
I can't believe you waited like 3 or 6 months to give this to me.
Well, I've been busy here, right?
Yeah, you are a busy boy.
What are you talking, Macca? You finished it? Or?
This guy. This is definitely all the hard bits, that's for sure. The floor will be nice and quick and easy. Oh!
Alright, boys, we're nearly done.
Whoa!
Giving you a bit of a pre-unpackaged pile, boys.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks, mate.
That just looks like work to me.
Yeah. That means we actually have to do it.
Right, so we've got wheel arches next.
And you'll see that this will just shrink into itself. You'll still get a nice finish on it. You can use the concave section of this roller here.
Tricks of the trade, eh?
Built to wheel like.
It's not about presentation.
TJ, don't get me.
Don't get you, why not? You're wearing the merch, you're You guys are no strangers to car builders because this was in the XK, correct?
Correct.
And the C10 and the highlights and I don't know.
And it's going in the K truck, the 79. It's just the best stuff. It's great.
Oh, I'm not gonna lie, it hasn't been a quick process. It's taking time.
Oh yeah, I definitely thought it was gonna be like an hour.
I love even coverage.
I love when you put a nice relief cut in and it just falls into place perfectly.
Windows and everything.
Where's the sound? Can't pass up Mr. Whippy.
Pretty stoked about it.
It's almost too easy. He's going all out.
Well, all in.
All in.
Doors are done. Nice.
And this nifty mat.
They were saying if you can't get the carpet to stay down properly, you can pull the backing off the carpet, but we got it down fine.
Did you just throw the biggest spanner
Yeah.
into
I'm sorry.
Wait, I've legit. So many people have been asking me about these, and I'm like, oh, I don't know, it's in TJ's walk around video, and you got it wrong.
Solar Screen?
Solar screens, I'm sorry.
Yeah, Solar Screen. That's the company name. Well, I can believe it, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was under the pressure. It was a walk around.
You were under pressure. You were, yeah,
I was stressing.
Alright, we're all finished up back there. We were at 70 on idle. Now we're sitting around 56, 57. Obviously not where I'm talking, but it's so much better. We've dropped like 20 decibels. That's crazy.
So this weekend we've got the Outback Equipment Open Day in Acacia Region. It's in Brizzy, sort of South Brizzy. So if you're Gold Coast or Sunny Coast or Brisbane, come and check it out. This Saturday, which is should only be 3 days if this goes on a Wednesday. Free tickets available. I'll be there in the NAB. Mac should have the cruiser there. And I think we're even taking the Jeep. So we'll have some merch. And yeah, just come say hi, guys. It's going to be a good day. How are we feeling about it, Jamin?
Stoked and excited all at once because it's getting close.
Bailey's got a little business here. We're on the Sunshine Coast. He does fit outs on like caravans, vans, and obviously troopies. You fit out everything basically, hey mate?
Whatever we want to do, really.
I don't think that needs a fit out. Jamin's thought he's the man to get this sorted. Last time everyone saw the troopy, it was more of a hoon wagon.
Definitely was.
It still is kind of. So let's.
Wagon slash half luxury now, hey?
Yeah.
But best of both worlds.
Max
Max
give
me shit. Max said it looks like my missus walk-in robe.
He would too.
He's giving me grief.
You want it nice,
Yeah, I
especially
know.
if you got your missus there.
Well, let's start the cooking. This is the mind-blowing part.
The flashes part out of the way first.
Yeah, this is impressive.
We'll get rid of that.
We've got the Westinghouse. What's your day?
2,600.
Holy shit.
Yeah. And then a 240 solar with a 240 lithium battery. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Big.
This is only really possible if you have a insane, let's just call it insane 12-volt setup. Most people won't have that, but he does, so this induction cooker is possible.
Oh, yeah.
1400 watt and 1000 watt, so this one must be a bit smaller than this one,
Yeah.
but yeah, you definitely need a lot of power to
Yeah.
run this bad boy.
Cool, and then on the other side we got the sink. Which pops out. It's a bit shallow for this one.
Yeah. I wouldn't be doing a shit in there. I probably wouldn't sit on it either.
And I've got all my water and shit coming from the side.
Oh, yeah.
And water in, water out, and air.
Plug in if you're
Yes,
at
I
home.
hope. Yeah, shower, anything. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's where you'll get all your water, hey, straight out of there.
Yeah, that's why they said it needs to be filtered, because apparently you can get some bugs and shit.
Yeah, definitely. Those inline filters are sick.
Yeah.
Next up is the bed. I was actually pretty shocked. I was like, where's the bed? But it's there. Bailey?
So basically, goes from a couch
to bed. Slide out, I guess.
to bed, back to couch mode, and then this is a bit of a secret feature.
And then that's, that's all your water stuff. And then this drawer obviously slides out here. Pretty cool.
Food.
Yeah,
I'd
food.
put food in there.
Yeah.
Food would be good.
Bailey's like, this guy even been camping
I've
before.
got a drawer about this big in mine, and it's like chocolates. So
Yeah.
this will be what you want.
Yeah.
It's got your original fridge, the angle sort of like chest fridge, yeah?
Yeah.
But
Yeah,
it's
because so
sitting-
the size of the fridge really just determines the bed width, hey?
Yeah.
So if I had to win a bigger fridge, you lose bed width because of the width of the fridge.
Yeah, which is actually really smart because I've only ever done a wide fridge, which makes your bed so much smaller.
Double
I think
size.
it was like 1150 wide.
Yeah.
Like a double bed size.
So almost like a double, yeah.
Yeah.
And then we've got the usual stuff, just drawers, cupboards, and
Yeah.
living, I guess.
Basically just, yeah, 3
Storage.
storage, clothes.
Oh, latch closed, obviously.
Yeah, so that's the RV lab latches there. They're a smart invention. Yeah. Pass the wheel latch, so you just maximise all that space.
Oh, holy. Oh, and the floor. I should mention the floor.
Damon's credit to that one.
Oh, that
Yeah, did something. Yeah.
What do you do for a job?
Just a bit of wasted space, you know, may as well maximise it all.
Oh, for the
Put some
shoes.
shoes or something in there, hide some.
Booze at Splendor, mate.
Yeah.
Work too, so.
It's definitely proper bull bar.
And it's ADR.
Oh, so they're spotties.
I was about to say, are they spotties?
Yeah. So me and Mac looked them up. So they're spotties and parkers. And then
nice.
you've got spotties and then
Indicators.
indicators.
Yeah.
Well, this one,
Yeah.
Fat Bars.
That bar sorted him out.
Fat Bars hooked me up.
Yeah.
Really
so,
stoked with it. Actually.
And, oh, well, it's on the bar.
Bolt on, just removal of your old bar, straight onto your factory chassis horns.
Yeah, but all legal as well, yeah.
All legal, yeah. Even these are, I think, is it load rated?
Yeah, that would be recovery.
Yeah.
Side step?
Yeah, they're coming.
Having issues doing your side steps because of your exhaust, yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
His exhaust
If
isn't
you're gonna
normal.
Get side dumps, definitely think about side steps. You think about your side dump exhaust because they don't work.
The problem is because of where the exhaust is, there's no way to make them strong. You can put them on, but they'll just not be strong enough to hold the car. And Bailey, I should probably tell everyone, is this sort of a thing that they can come and get in contact and get you to do the job for them?
To be honest, it's basically just a hobby for me.
Hobby?
I've actually got a job. This is not my job. Feel free to shoot me a message and I can give you some info and some prices, but I'm pretty busy at the moment and there's a bit of a wait, so keep that in mind.
So I actually got this from the cruiser company. They got me the utility panel. I'm going to go a lift out window. They supplied me with a lift out window here. I'm going to like recess it in. Bailey's going to do that when I get back. He doesn't know yet. And then they're hooking me up with a rear wheel, hooped rear wheel bar. So it's going to have hoops like this.
Yeah, right.
Cut them off.
The Troopy isn't actually finished yet, but we'll keep you up to date.
Cruiser brain.
Because you're doing a trip soon, yeah? October?
14th October over to WA.
So if you see him on the road, give him away. Well, actually, yeah, so everything's going white inside, hey?
Yeah.
Because it's all timber at the moment, but you want it white. Smells too. It smells really nice.
Smells nice. Smells like a pine forest.
Yeah, because they swivel around so you can move it where you want it, sort of thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sirocco.
Alright, we're actually just on the way home and just got my CV fixed the other day at ProCheck. The Jarvis helped me whack a new one in, so I thought, why not test it on the Fun Play Hill while we're going past.
This one again.
Yeah, what do you reckon?
Fucking hell, yeah, right.
So we actually had the Troopy on this the other day too, but we probably won't run it up at the moment because some of the stuff in the back's not really bolted down and the fridge might go flying. So I'll run you some of that footage now of Jamin tackling this the other day in the Troopy.
That's so easy.
Oh, front CV works.